kids, hello बच्चों. This is a heart. This is a triangle. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a star. And this is a hexagon. Orange color. The heart is orange in color. Such a pretty heart. Green color. The triangle is green in color. A triangle has 3 sides. Blue color. The square is blue in color. The square has 4 equal sides. Yellow color. The circle is yellow in color. A circle has no sides. Pink color. The star is pink in color. The star shines bright in the sky. And red color. The hexagon is red in color. The hexagon has 6 sides. Look around you and see what all things resemble these shapes. Let's revise. चलो फिर से करते हैं. Heart, orange color. Triangle, green color. Square, blue color. Circle, yellow color. Star, pink color. And hexagon, red color. Simple. चलो कल मिलते हैं. बाय बाय.